How to adjust margins in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Canva application or go to the official website of Canva. Go to the project where you want to adjust the margin. Now from the left hand side you will see the option of file. Click on it, go to view setting and make sure show margin and show print plate is toggled on. After that, you will be able to see the margin in your project and then you will be able to adjust it according to your desire. Once you are able to do so, edit your design and once done, simply go to download option. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to adjust margins in Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.